Alright, so hi, I'm Andy, and I am working for, hopefully, Breakthrough Fort Worth. Thank you. So, let's get started, guys. Henry, will you please read the problem for me?
Enrique plays drums for a band. His band practices 60 minutes a day, twice a week. Enrique likes to go above and beyond and practice an additional 30 minutes a day the other 5 days a week. However, this week, his mom makes him go grocery shopping with her one day, taking away 25 minutes of his extra practice time. Conscious of this, his dad decides to give him an extra 45 minutes to practice on Saturday. If his band's practice schedule stayed normal, how many hours did Enrique practice the drums this week? Show all of your steps.
Wonderful. So it seems like a long word problem, and so obviously these are more daunting than others. So, let's see. Hope, what sounds important?
The fact that he practices for 60 minutes a day for twice a week.
60 minutes a day. And how many times a week?
Twice.
Twice. Henry, what else seems important?
He practices 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week.
All right. So, anything else that seems important?
It also says that this week his mom took him grocery shopping for 25 minutes.
Okay, so
And
that
big.
took off what? How many?
25 minutes.
So minus 25 minutes. What else?
And his dad gave him 45 minutes.
And so what was the question again? Because it's really important to remember because there's always really extra information that we don't need. So again, we can underline the question. I want you guys to take your pencil and underline the question. And then Henry, will you read it to me, please?
The question?
Yes.
All of
No, just the question part.
How many hours did Enrique practice the drums this week?
Okay, so we're given all of our information in minutes. So we know that once we have all of our minutes combined, we're going to need to convert it to hours. So our answer is going to be in hours. Again, so we have 60 minutes a day, twice a week. So how much would that be, Hope, in minutes?
Well, you do 60 times 2, so that's 120.
So 120. And I want you guys writing all this down as we go along. It helps with muscle memory. Henry, so how many times would that be for 5 times a week at 30 minutes?
30, 2 hours and 30 minutes.
In minutes? We'll convert in a minute.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 150.
So 150 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we're going to subtract 25 minutes, right? Because they went grocery shopping. But then Dad said, hey, you can practice 45 extra minutes. So you're going to add 45. So can someone tell me what all of this would add up to?
$290, I think?
290. Wonderful.
And that's in minutes.
In minutes. Perfect. So again, we have to make sure that we convert it into hours in the end. So, Henry, any idea how we would do that?
You could divide it by 60.
290 divided
Yes.
by 60 because 60 minutes is 1 hour.
Yeah.
So does 60 go into 2?
No.
Does it go into 29?
No.
Does it go into 290?
Yes.
Yes.
How many times? Let's see. So 60 times, I guess we could do trial and error. 60 times 3 equals 180. That's obviously not going to be it. 60 times 5, what's 60 times 5, Henry?
300?
300. So obviously it's going to be right in the middle. 60 times 4 is 240. Can everyone agree on that? Thumbs up if we agree. Up high. Wonderful. So 50 minutes. So we have 4 hours and 50 minutes. And then we can erase this because we already have our unit written down. And whoops. So was this problem that hard?
No.
No. So what I want you guys to do now is turn your sheets over and we have some problems on the back. I want you guys to work the first one independently and then talk through the second one in groups. How's it going?
Good.
Wonderful. All right. Did you guys discuss your answers?
2-2. Nice.
Did you get?
All right, wonderful. So all eyes up here. We have Carla has 2 cats, and each of them had 5 kittens. So she found homes for 7 of the kittens. How many does she have now? How many kittens were there in total, just by reading? 10. Wonderful, Henry. There were 10 kittens, and she found homes for 7. So that means they left their house. They left Carla's house. That was her name, I believe. So how many are there left?
3.
3. Wonderful. So now what I want us to do, because sometimes solving word problems can become difficult, so just like a little cheer to help us work and remember how to solve our problems. Has anyone ever heard the phrase reduce, reuse, recycle?
Yeah.
Hands up if you have. Wonderful. So what we do is we can do that, but not with like water bottles and plastic and all that. You want to reduce your info. You want to reduce your information so that you don't have extra stuff, because you don't need that. That doesn't help you solve the problem. You want to reuse, obviously, what you need. And you recycle the numbers you do need, and then your answers. Your answers you will see. Okay, so a little bit of a cheer, it just goes with a lot of tunes. It says, reduce your information, reuse what you need, recycle your numbers, your answers you will see, right? So I want you guys to read it over. Give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we're all gonna cheer it together.
Can we practice one more time? I'm sorry.
One more time. Okay. So reduce your information, reuse what you need, recycle your numbers, your answers you will see.
Awesome.
Great. So now all of us do it as a class. So 1, 2, 3, go. Reduce your information, reuse what you need, recycle your numbers, your answers you will see. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.